Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make amazing YouTube thumbnails in no time at all. So simple, so easy, and totally free. And you guessed it, Canva. In Canva, which is my favorite software to use for editing. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, it is free. Just create one using your email address and you're ready to go. Okay, so you log into your account and you're going to click on the thumbnail dock or dimensions. Okay, if you don't see it here, it's right here. If you don't see it on this line, you can click on more to bring up all the options. You can type it in here in the search bar. You can type in YouTube thumbnail up here in this search bar, or you can go to create a design. Okay, so those are the three ways in which you can find the dimensions or the docs you're looking for. In this instance, I'm going to just click on it since it's already here. Now you can use a template. As you can see, there are a bunch of templates here. Wherever you see this crown on the bottom right of any one of these templates, it means that you need a paid account. Pro means paid. It's about $15 a month. I do not have a paid account at this time. However, as you can see here, Canva often offers like a 30-day free Canva Pro trial, which is awesome. And they're really good at canceling and not, taking money out of your account when they shouldn't. Okay, so the templates are here. And if you don't see a template that you're looking for, or just to make it easier, you can type in whatever you're looking for in this search bar. So let's say YouTube posts. Okay. And here are some awesome templates that came up, and many of them are free, and the free ones are amazing. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one. It says YouTube thumbnail design. All right, the first thing to note is that all of these elements are customizable. You can change the words to whatever you want. For example, my videos. Okay, and you can resize these however you want by dragging. You can change the colors to whatever color you want. So you can see that's black. Okay, there's a menu bar up here on the top, and there's a menu bar over here to the left. Okay, you can also change the font. Okay, there you go. That font changed. You can also move the text wherever you want, top, bottom. Okay. You can also change the image, right? So say you want to put your own picture here. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you click on whatever it is that you want to remove. In this instance, it's this picture. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on the delete button. And then I'm going to go to uploads. I'm going to upload one of my pictures or whatever image that I want. And I can upload this one. Here we go. And I can resize this, or you can resize this image. Okay. And there you have it. You can add effects, okay, to your text, as you can see here. There are many options over here on the left side. You can change how thick or how thin you want the the text to be, depending on, what you choose here. You can have a background. You can change the background color. The options are amazing, guys. And this is all free. This isn't even the paid account. I mean, what they offer for free on Canva or in Canva really is amazing. I don't even understand it. Okay, so you can change the background. You can change how you want your text to appear. Do you want it curved or not curved? So if you want to create your own design, this is what you would do. You could go to create a design. Say you don't want to use a template. You would type in YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and it's right here, the dimensions. Click on YouTube thumbnail. You can go to elements. And from here, you can choose whatever you want and design your thumbnail however you want. Here you have recently used. So if you've ever designed anything in Canva, everything, all the elements that you've used before will appear on this line. Then you have shapes and graphics. You can type in, let's keep with the YouTube theme, YouTube posts. Okay. And here you have it. You have graphics. You can click on see all. And there are many different graphics that you can use to design your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so we can use this guy. Okay, and say you don't want to use graphics and you want to use photos. You type in your YouTube posts. You can go to photos, just click on see all. And here you have it. Okay. Just remember that you have to use the ones without, if you don't want to pay for an account, you have to use the images or the elements without the crown on it. Okay, so here we have it. We can do, what else? Has a crown on it. We can do this one. You also can send the image to the back, right? So you can click on position. Say you want to send this image backwards. You click on position. You click on backwards. Click on backwards again, right? And as you can see, the other two images will come forward, and that image that you clicked on will become the background essentially. And then you can just move it however you want. You can design it however you want, you guys. But that's it. That's how easy it is to use Canva. That's why so many people use it for their editing, because it is so super easy. So super easy, you guys. It's well worth it. And it's free. In less than 5 minutes, you can create a Canva account, create a YouTube thumbnail for your videos, and that's it. When you're all done, you click on share and you click on download. And Canva will suggest a file in which you can download your thumbnail. Suggestions are usually right on the money. However, there are other suggestions if you want to choose something else. Okay. And then you click on download and it will download on your computer and you can do whatever you want with it. There's certain elements you can't use unless you have a paid account. Like I said, wherever you see the crown. So BG means background remover, which I found really useful, to be honest, really useful when I had the 30-day free Canva Pro trial. I just got finished using a trial and they sent me another trial. And go figure, which I will accept, by the way. But I just wanted you guys to see that with the free trial, you can create amazing, amazing, inviting thumbnails for your YouTube channel. And that's it. That's it, you guys. Your thumbnail is the first thing that people see. So it's a good idea to spend the time to create inviting thumbnails, clickable thumbnails, something that, is attractive, right? It's the first thing people see. So if you want your videos to be seen, this is the way to go. Use Canva, you guys, and create your thumbnails for free. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.